So, guys, to get to register your tax identification number, go to your Play Store and download this app. You can see it's JTB app. Download it on your phone, install it on your phone. Then you come right here and click on it, allow it to open up. It will take you to this interface. So, before I explain each of this section, listen attentively and listen good. Most people get stuck whenever they are doing this particular tax identification registration on the internet simply because they don't follow the simple rules that needs to be followed, so therefore they cannot be able to get that thing after registering on the site, and some people will not even be able to complete that registration process. So for you to be on a safer side, these are some of the things you need to put in place, and in a short while I will be explaining those things in details for us. Make sure you watch this video till the end. And again, if you find it difficult to generate this, or you had requested for it and it has not been sent to you, or you are stuck at a stage that says you can no longer apply for this because you've exhausted the number of period you can actually apply for it online, then the best way is what we call the fast tracking way. And that fast tracking way I will also explain towards the end of this video. So make sure you stay right tuned till the end of this video so that you can get to understand the details of how you can successfully go about it once and for all. So let's proceed. Before we proceed, introduction. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Deborah Rafiu. I am the brain behind Sholadrem 247. I am a business registration expert for any kind of business, company, or NGO registration, be it your CAC, your SCOM, your SMEDAN. Feel free to reach out to me using the link in the description. Let's proceed. So when you get to this interface, you can see we have non-individual thing registration, which means it is not for individual registration. It is for your business registration, company registration, or NGO registration. So meaning that is not what you want to use if you are generating tax identification number for yourself, which is your individual, which is your thing, your own personal one. The next one beside it on your right hand side is what you will be going for, which is individual thing registration. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you down to this interface. Once you get to this interface, now listen attentively. Most people get it wrong from here and then they get stuck. So for you not to get stuck, listen and listen good to what I am about to say. If you input your details more than 5 times on this spot, you will not be able to generate your thing again, except you go for the fast tracking way. If you mistakenly input these details 5 times and you make a mistake while inputting it, it will not go again. It will not work out. So meaning input your correct details and input it at once. Then the next one is your date of birth. Make sure you are inputting the correct date of birth, and here which we have the first name and your last name. Your first name means your own personal name. For example, I am bearing Deborah Raphael. Yes, my name is Deborah. That is my first name. I hope you understand. Some of us that due to misinformation, we were always told that make sure you write your father's name first. Your father's name always come first. This particular thing we are talking about here, your first name should be your own name, not your surname. My dear, your first name is your own personal name. That is your first name. So if you are working on this and you want to impute your details, your first name should be your own personal name. Then your last name is your father's name. That is if you are bearing your father's name. And if it's your husband's name you are bearing, that name is already on your BVN. Make sure it is that your husband's name you are imputing in this last name. But if you are using your father's name, impute your own personal name as your first name and your father's name as your last name. So that is what you need to do right here. So let's go straight to it. So the next thing you do is to click on that I am not a robot. Then it will bring out a captcha for you to fill. You pick if it's bicycle, motorcycle, crosswalk, cars or buses. Pick it till that box checked good. Once it's checked good, you click on the search bar and it will load up another interface for you where you will need to input your other details correctly.